Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is a very own teacher, the Unza graduate teacher. In today's lesson, guys, we are looking at the question which came in Science paper 1, which was question 4, 2025 G12 exam, the paper they wrote last year. So the question was as follows. The question was saying, the diagrams show two forces acting on mass M in the direction shown. Which of the diagrams show the arrangement of forces that gives the block of mass M the greatest acceleration? So according to this arrangement of forces, the question was asking which arrangement of forces give the mass M the greatest acceleration. So for you to understand the block which has the greatest acceleration, you must understand that you have to understand the signs. When forces they are going in the same direction, you have to add the forces. Like this one, it is 10 Newton, it is going in the light direction. 12 Newton is also going in the light direction. That means you are going to add the 10 Newton plus 12 Newton. It will give you 22 Newton. That means this mass M, for A, it has got what? 22 newtons. Then for B, as you can see, 10 Newton was going in the what? Light direction. Then 12 Newton was going in the what? Left direction. That you are going to say 12, you are going to subtract now. You say 12 Newton minus 10 Newton, it will give you 2 Newtons. So now we are going to go to C. When you look at C, this 20 Newton was going in the left direction, 30 Newton was going in the what? Was opposing. In short, it was not. It was opposing the what? In the light direction. They were in different what? Different what? Direction. So this one, you are going to say 30 Newton minus 20 Newtons. It will give you 10 Newtons. So C, it has got 10 Newtons. Then for D, it was opposing the what? Left direction to 20 Newtons. Even this one, left direction. As long as they are going the same opposing in the same direction, that means the force you have to add. So you're going to say 30 Newtons plus 20 Newtons. So D, it has the 50 Newtons. So the one with the greatest force, it is the one. It is the block which it is a block of mass with the what? The greatest acceleration. So D, the greatest force, which was 50 Newtons. So the answer here was supposed to be D. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video. Why should you continue to struggle with science like this physics question when the undergraduate teacher is here? That just follow my channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel for more science lessons. You must remember that the undergraduate teacher is where learning never stops.